So, Bismillah. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. We were saying that the idea of finding scientific discoveries in the Qur'an actually started way back when Napoleon arrived in Egypt, and then for the last 200 years since then it has taken several different forms, and we are not going to go into the details, and we are just going to see whether or not Big Bang is in the Qur'an. If it is in the Qur'an, what does it mean? And if it's not, then how do we explain the emergence of the cosmos? Remembering that our focus is inshallah on the creation theme of the Qur'an itself. If we ask ourselves the question, is the Big Bang in the Qur'an? What do we need to know? We need to know what is the Big Bang. Then we need to know where to find it in the Qur'an. The Qur'an, as we all know, has a very specific number of words, letters, everything has been counted, and we can find, when we say we have to find something in the Quran, we have to go to a certain ayah, or a word, or a cluster of ayahs, more than one ayahs. Let's first see what do we mean by the Big Bang. I've said this before that in case of certain factual information, there is no problem in going to the Wikipedia. I had suggested that read the article on Wikipedia, and today we are just going to look at some of the aspects of that article in reference to our understanding of the text for the understanding of the Quranic view. The first thing we notice, that article says the Big Bang event. The Big Bang event is a physical theory that describes how the universe expanded from an initial state of high density and temperature. Is there something wrong with this? The Big Bang event is a physical theory, it says. It's an event and it's a physical theory. And physical theory is hyperlinked. So when you go to the physical theory itself, then you read that this actually means something else. Physical theory is hyperlinked, but when you click on the physical theory, it turns into, physical theory turns into theoretical physics, which is then defined as a branch of physics that employs mathematical models. Mathematical models and abstractions of physical objects and systems to rationalize, explain, and predict natural phenomena. You see the problem here, because we need to pay attention to this also because what it says about Islam and the religious, there is a separate article on the religious implications of the Big Bang, and what it says there about Islam is also of great importance for us. Therefore, we understand that what is being promoted as the Big Bang is contradictory. It's an event. Oh no, wait a minute, it's not an event, it's a model. There's a huge difference between an event and a theoretical model. The Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, does not discuss theoretical, philosophical possibilities. Everything in the Quran is real. It deals with events, past, present, and future. What's going to happen? What happened in the past? What was happening at the time of its revelation? There are ayahs in it. So it's a huge jump between saying that this is an event Can you still hear me? they? So everything is frozen here. Can you stop that?
Yeah, sure.